Alright, so let's go ahead and try out the GoPro mod. Let's see how that works with the 12. Of course, this is not the 2.0. I'm just wondering if it's going to register that it's not a 2.0. So of course you just twist this off. You can see your camera is exposed, and of course you take your media mod, you aim, you line up the little locking mechanisms. So there's a little gasket, there's like a little impact right there that you have to compress the lens and then hold it down and then just twist it on there, and it should lock into place like that. So now the GoPro media mod is installed. You could put this either way. The lettering's gonna be this way, that way. So like I mentioned, you have to make sure that that you align the bracket and what holds down the camera. So let's go ahead and turn it back on, and obviously you have to take this out of easy mode. And I mean, you probably don't have to take it out of easy mode, but I took it out of easy mode just so I can see what's my recording is like. I want to see if this is going to go down to 2.7K instead of the 4K or the 5.3K. So let's go ahead. All right, so okay, let's bring up the setup max lens. Let's go ahead and turn that on. All right, so let's see. Now you have the two different options. Be sure to use the correct max lens mod setting. The original max lens mod is labeled in white, which this is, but what happens if I label it as 2.0? Will it give me the record max lens mode enabled? So this is giving me a different orientation. So we have we're still recording in 4K 16:9, which is basically what you get with the theater mode. And what else settings do we have? Just wondering. So the aspect ratio, you have of course, because of the image sensor is taller, so you could even flip it up, vertical, and you have the 4.3 as well, resolution 4K. And then so you have some frame rates here. It doesn't lower your resolution, so you could record 4K 60 with the max lens mod. And then what else do we got? So if you go 120, then that's gonna shoot you down to 1080. And max lens super view. So we have super view, and I believe this is horizon view. Is that? Oh no, it's hyper view. Super view, hyper view. So this is just, it gives you more of that warp effect. And then we had wide view. Horizon lock. All right, so here's the horizon lock. That stays on. This also has horizon lock with the GoPro, but it crops in a lot. It gives you that narrow view, so you can't use wide view or hyper view or super view. Super view is basically the one that I usually shoot in. And we have the hyper smooth. That's to capture with image stability. And so you have all these settings, which is quite neat. I wonder if it does record, even though we don't have the 2.0. It looks like we have the ability to record this in 4K, which is nice. All right, let's go ahead and let's change the max lens to 1.0. I hate how it doesn't. Max lens, come on, where's the options? All right, here we go. So let's just go max lens and we'll see what happens. So look at your resolution drops. It drops to 2.7, which is just, I mean, you could really tell when you're editing and uploading the resolution, you're limited by that. So I wonder if I recorded in 2.0, if it's going to give me that better resolution. So I don't know. I mean, they look the same. I don't know. I don't believe they did anything other than add a different coating to the max lens, to the Hero 12. So the aspect ratio Looks like we had the vertical one. For some reason it's no longer here. Same image sensor, same lens, honestly. And then of course your resolution gets cut in half, so you can't record in 4K. And then you only have 2 different options as far as lens, wide, super view. You no longer have hyper view, and then you still have horizon lock, and then you also have all the other features as far as hyper smooth, which is the image stability. So all right, we'll put it to the test. We'll see what happens with the max lens. We'll record in both settings, and then we'll put them side by side, and then we'll see how this thing records. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys are wondering, how does that connect? Obviously that's how that connects, and then it looks like you can still record in 4K even though you don't have the 2.0. So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Let's risk, get out there and ride. Later.